So today we make a short video. We were recommended to go to a kind of small lake with a bridge. I don't know the name of the lake, but this is like a suspension bridge. So Yeon, do you know what's the name of the bridge?
브릿지 이름이 마장호수 출렁다리.
Okay. Just here. Wow. I almost fell. Huge stairs. Oh, big. Wasn't ready.
Okay. Hello guys. Today we're here with our friend Soyeon, and we came. What is the name?
마장호수 출렁다리.
To the bridge.
That's enough.
It's northeast of Seoul, and we drove here 45 minutes, and it's completely free. You can have a nice walk around. It's actually not that hot today, so that's good. And now we're gonna have a walk on there.
하. V. 가자. Go go. Franca jump.
Let's jump on feet.
Jump, jump, jump. 여기 more shaking.
More people. Bye bye. So the two ladies are too lazy to do all that. Shocked. The revelation, you have to go all over there.
You can go. We wait for you at the restaurant. No problem.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye, Tava. Bye. See you later.
But 8 minutes to the restaurant is by foot or by car?
By car.
Oh. Okay, then let's go.
Hi guys. We made
Hello,
it.
guys.
We made it. Yeah.
So we walk on the bridge, it's moving a little up and down, and sometimes like on the left, not the right. So it's funny, if you're a little bit scared, it can be challenging a little. But it's good, it's a nice view on the lake, and you can have a walk like all around. We didn't do all the walking because it's pretty long, we don't have much time yet. But if you can do it, yeah, it's pretty fun, and yeah, you can enjoy it. It's nice. nice discovery for something free and not too far from Seoul if you have a car.
Yeah, a little bit nature.
Yeah, I don't know about the public transportation though, but if you have a car, it's easy to come here.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So now we will go have lunch. We earned it. So see you later.
See you, bye.
Bye.
Bye.